Blender lets you save custom sculpt brushes with custom thumbnails for later reuse. It's almost like having an asset browser for your brushes. Duplicate an existing brush, name it, and click the fake user shield icon to preserve it. Duplicate and name the texture as well, then load a VDM or alpha texture. Set the texture up as described in my videos about alphas or VDMs. Render a thumbnail of your brush, then save it as a small JPEG image. Keep it in the same folder as the blend file or in a subfolder. Click the custom icon button and add the thumbnail with a relative file path. After doing this for all your brushes, you can click on the brush icon to see all your custom brushes. Finally, save the blend file. Then you can load it whenever you want to use the brushes or simply append them in a new file.